Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, I'm thrilled to dive into a topic that can truly transform your living space: the TV wall background design inspiration. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. A well-designed TV wall can elevate your entire living room, turning a simple entertainment area into a stylish focal point. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know to create a stunning and functional TV wall that reflects your personal style. Let's start with the basics. TV wall background design refers to the creative and intentional treatment of the wall behind your television. It goes beyond simply mounting your TV on a blank wall. It's about incorporating elements like textures, colors, materials, and lighting to create a visually appealing and cohesive backdrop that complements your television and enhances the overall aesthetic of your living room. Think of it as framing your entertainment center, adding depth and interest to an otherwise ordinary space. It's about creating a focal point that draws the eye and adds personality to your home. So why bother with a TV wall background design? The benefits are numerous. First and foremost, it significantly improves the aesthetics of your living room. A well-designed TV wall can transform a bland space into a stylish and inviting area. It can also help to conceal unsightly wires and cables, creating a clean and organized look. Furthermore, a thoughtfully designed background can enhance the viewing experience by providing visual interest and reducing glare. It can also increase the perceived value of your home. Beyond the practical benefits, a beautifully designed TV wall can be a reflection of your personal style, adding a unique touch to your living space. How do you decorate a good living room with TV wall background design? Now for the crucial question: how do you actually create a good living room with a TV wall background design? The key is to consider several factors. First, assess the size of your room and the scale of your television. Your design should be proportionate to the space. Next, think about your overall decor style. Do you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a more traditional, cozy feel? Your TV wall should complement your existing furniture and decor. Consider the lighting in the room. Natural light and artificial lighting can both play a role in highlighting your TV wall. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different materials and textures. From wood paneling to textured wallpaper, the possibilities are endless. What are the best items for a living room with TV wall background? Choosing the right elements for your TV wall is essential. Here are some of the best items to consider. First, wood paneling adds warmth and texture. Second, textured wallpaper offers a variety of patterns and colors. Third, stone or brick veneer creates a rustic or industrial feel. Fourth, floating shelves provide storage and display space. Fifth, LED lighting adds ambience and highlights features. Sixth, mirrors create the illusion of more space. Seventh, artwork incorporate personal touches. Eighth, plants add a touch of nature. Ninth, fabric panels soften the space and absorb sound. 10th, custom cabinetry offers concealed storage and a polished look. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best TV wall background design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Modern minimalist. Clean lines, neutral colors, and simple geometric shapes. Think sleek floating shelves and a subtle textured wall. 2. Rustic farmhouse. Reclaimed wood, exposed brick, and warm earthy tones. A large distressed wood mantel can be a stunning focal point. 3. Industrial chic. Metal accents, exposed brick, and Edison bulbs. A dark, dramatic color palette can add a touch of sophistication. 4. Scandinavian style. Light and airy with a focus on functionality and simplicity. Think white walls, natural wood, and cozy textiles. 5. Glamorous Hollywood. Mirrored surfaces, metallic accents, and luxurious fabrics. A large ornate mirror can create a dramatic effect. 6. Bohemian Rhapsody. Eclectic mix of patterns, textures, and colors. Think woven tapestries, macrame wall hangings, and plenty of plants. 7. Contemporary Classic. A timeless blend of traditional and modern elements. Think neutral colors, elegant furniture, and subtle patterns. 8. Mid-century Modern. Iconic designs from the mid-20th century. Think clean lines, organic shapes, and warm wood tones. 9. Coastal Retreat. Light and breezy with a focus on natural materials and ocean-inspired colors. Think white walls, blue accents, and woven baskets. 10. Geometric glam. Bold geometric patterns, metallic accents, and luxurious fabrics. A large, abstract artwork can be a stunning focal point. Creating the perfect TV wall background design is an investment in your home and your enjoyment of your living space. By carefully considering the elements we've discussed, you can transform your living room into a stylish and functional entertainment hub. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home decor inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite TV wall background design ideas. We'd love to hear from you.